Hi, good evening friends. Today again we are telling about the microneedling radio frequency treatment. As you know, microneedling radio frequency. Microneedling is a very age-old procedure. As you know, everybody is doing derma roller. It has been used for hair problem or skin problem since long, maybe around last 10-12 years or more than that. It is basically nothing but it penetrates on your skin and helps to create some micro channels or micro wounds where there some growth factors actually come from your body to repair the wounds. This will again help to repair the skin and everything and for your hair. That is the myth. Basically, microneedling I don't feel have a long good effect on your hair problem. Basically, it definitely enhances the results of PRP, definitely activates the results of PRP, but not in cases of skin problem. But this is the device. As you know, this is the ultra modern or latest device of microneedling radio frequency. Now, what is that? There is a microneedling procedure combined with the radio frequency. So, this is basically, as you can see, this is the needle part of a microneedle. This is the needle of microneedling. This is needle. You can see some small needles are there. Needle part is there. Maybe 12, maybe 24 or maybe 52, as long as there are different patterns of needles are available. Basically, these needles should be fitted on these handpiece. As you know, this is the handpiece. This needle should be fitted at the handpiece. As I can show you after fitting, it should be fitted like and this should be kept it like this. So this is done. Fitting is done. Now we'll go to this section. As you can see, there are different patterns available, like the time you can adjust it according to your skin treatment pattern. You can adjust the depth starting from the skin treatment to stretch mark treatment. So what does these machines do? First, we have to know what is the usage of that machine. That machine can be used for mainly for the acne scars and for the stretch marks and for the skin rejuvenation purpose. Now, regarding scars it treat beautifully, and maybe around as I can say, maybe 50 to 60% or slightly more than that scar can be reduced by these machines. Maybe it can beautifully. So basically, see, CO2 Fraxel laser is the gold standard of the scar, but in that cases CO2 Fraxel also have downtime, some amount, but these machines never have the downtime in that case. And you can also use these machines for the purpose. You just do the procedure and you can go outside. There is no downtime for the machine. So basically, this machine can treat your acne scars where there is a rolling scar, where there is an ice pick scar, after post acne scars, not for the pigmentary scars but for the rolling scars, but for the ice pick scars, everything can be treated by this machine beautifully. Along with that stretch mark, there's different, as you gain some weight or you may lost some weight and the dermal layer just burst out producing the stretch marks, and that stretch marks can be treated beautifully by these machines. And last but not the least, of course, the skin rejuvenation, fine wrinkles and lines can be treated beautifully with these machines. Now, basically, this is the time parameter. You can adjust according to your weight. This is the depth parameter. You can adjust according to your skin. Normally, 1.5 should be used. Speed you can, whatever speed you want to use, just 0.1 second or maybe 0.2 seconds, whatever. And suction basically not for the skin purpose or scar purpose. Suction is basically for the purpose of your stretch mark, abdominal stretch mark, post pregnancy stretch marks, all these. And stretch marks, just you can not able to wear the sleeveless things, and you cannot if you want to show your hot, just beautiful body, body shaping. You go to gym and just open the shirt, you want to show the body, but there is a huge amount of stretch mark is coming, you cannot show it. So this can be treated, all these by this machine. And this is a suction, and last but not the least is a radio frequency. It is on wattage. Maybe 30 to 40 should be the starting point, and later on we can increase 30 to 40%. If there is a good result, we cannot increase, but if there is a result is after that point that's become just stop, we can increase 30 to 40% of the fluences by this. So this is basically the manual method. All this can be done, and there is also, you can see there is a water hammer. If after the procedure is over there is a maybe redness or inflammatory response is there, just after doing the water hammer, this will definitely give a cooling effect on that area, and maybe the inflammatory response will be just succeeded. So this treatment definitely is a beautiful process of treatment, beautifully treats the scar. I have treated many a patient with facial post-acne scars, and stretch marks will also be treated beautifully. And skin rejuvenation definitely creates a beautiful skin rejuvenation for a patient. I have already treated 2-3 patients, especially for the indications of skin rejuvenation. It grows new blood vessels. So what it actually does, when I just pushes the machine, like if I start the machine, and you can see this is a blue light coming, and when I push the machine like this, you can see just a needle comes along with this blue light. There is a radio frequency wave coming, which actually does, when it hits your skin, it causes micro channels or micro wounds. Within that, the radio frequency wave will go within the skin and just hit the dermal collagen. And when the dermal collagen will be hit, it again helps for the neocollagenesis and neoangiogenesis, which means new blood vessel formation, along with new collagen formation, which this will ultimately give a result of beautiful skin, rejuvenated skin, less scarry skin, and all things. And stretch marks definitely will be reduced a greater extent, but definitely all the procedures will need time. It will not give a great result within just one procedure. If you take some few procedures, maybe at a glance for maybe 4 to 6 sessions or maybe slightly more, it will give a beautiful result. And long run cases, just one thing I want to mention you, every procedure, every cosmetic procedure needs a maintenance in a proper time. But basically, see, if I do scar reduction treatment or if I do stretch marks reduction, basically it doesn't need, until and unless you gain the fat and you lost the fat, until and unless, or you gain new pimples for scar, it doesn't need any maintenance. But in cases of skin rejuvenation, if the indication is for skin rejuvenation, it definitely needs multiple sessions even after the maintenance sessions also. So these are a beautiful treatment. This should be done for a patient for these indications, and it can give a good result, beautiful result. Just one thing, CO2 fracture laser for scars or stretch marks have other treatments. Previously I have done many other treatments, but this can be done beautifully without any downtime. So thanks friends, thanks for watching. It's an informative video, just you can watch for your knowledge, to increase your knowledge. Thanks for watching.